I'm going to show you how you can easily use a QR code to sign in to your Outlook mobile app. First, launch and open the Outlook application on your PC. Once logged in, click the gear icon on the top right side. In this menu, go to the Mobile Devices section. Here, click Sign in faster to Outlook on your phone to open it on the preferred app. It will show you a QR code which you can scan to directly sign in to your account. It will also send an email to tell you about the sign-in process. Now, open the app on your mobile phone. Next, tap Add Account and select Account to continue. To sign in faster, tap the QR icon on the top right side. Hit Continue and then select the Scan QR code option. After that, scan the QR code from your PC and enter the code in the app shown on your PC. Then tap Verify and it will start the authentication to progress. You can add other accounts, otherwise it will start syncing your privacy settings. Once it is done, you will be directed to your account.